Right. Welcome to the Trader Zone YouTube live stream. Okay, now this looks like the area is rejecting, the price is rejecting the area. So I think it's a good opportunity to sell. So let the price come around here and then we will enter the sell. Let's see on 1 hour time frame. Okay, the candle is about to close bearish. So I think we need to wait for 1 hour candle to close, and we will see after that we can enter the trade or not, because we need higher time frame confirmation. Let's see. We will wait for 15 minutes to close this candle, H1 candle. Let's look at the gold. Looks like gold is approaching to this level. 1874. This was a really good entry after this candle, and the price is going to go at 1874. We missed this entry. Under 16 pips. Look at GBPJPY. The GBPJPY is in the supply area. The price has rejected this area. I think we need to wait for this candle to close. After bearish candle in this zone, we will look for sell. All right. The sellers are pushing the market down. Let's wait for this candle to close. 1 hour candle. right? The price is rejecting this area. So now we will wait for this candle to close, and after that we will wait for retracement for the next 1 hour candle, and we will enter over here when price will retrace, and we will look for target over here at the bottom or till here. So let's wait for this candle to close. Hello everyone. How are you guys doing today? You can ask me a question if you have any questions. Okay. After this impulse move, the goal is going to range for some time, and after that it will give a confirmation about a bullish or bearish movement. Do you see this impulse move? This, after every impulse move there is a correction. So for time being, gold might range in this particular range. After that it will give you a confirmation about bullish confirmation or bearish confirmation. The price has to go. It will give you a bullish evidence over here, and it will go up in this zone, in this supply area, or if there are the sellers are present and it has to go down, then it will give you a bearish confirmation. Over here, and we will look for sell entries. If we find any selling evidence, a bearish confirmation, then we will look for sells, and we will look for this kind of scenario. So let's see. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and this live stream is going to continue every day. You will get to learn so many things from this live streaming. Okay, so on GBPUSD, the 1 hour candle is about to close in 1 minute. I think we can look for sells since this candle is getting closed in the bearish. If we look for sells over here, the stop loss should be around 10 pips stop loss, and the target can be 51 pips. So I'm not in the sales right now. I'm just waiting for lower time frame confirmation on this M15. I want price to reach this level, and over here again, after giving retracement, it should give the bearish evidence, and after that we will look for sales like this. I'm looking this kind of scenario. M30 is bearish, good indication that we can look for sales, but because of this we have to wait for some good confirmation on this lower time frame. It might possible that price come to this level and it may go up, because still the market is bullish. So I want price to create lower low, then lower high, and then we will enter over here after it creates lower high, and after that we will look for sales, and yes, then price should come over here or till here at least. Can you guys hear my voice? Am I audible to you? Can you please type yes in the chat section so that I come to know that my voice is working? Mr. Rakshit, thank you so much for confirming that I am audible to you. Thank you so much. Thank you, weekly close. So how are you guys doing today? Thank you, Ernest. Great, Ernest. Great. Glad to know you're doing well. I'm doing good. Today is the first day of this live stream. and it feels really great starting this live stream. I started this live stream to help all the retail traders, and I will try my best to give you all good value from this live stream. Yes, Ernest, I do have a Telegram channel. Actually, I created that channel just today, and I'm going to you can join my Discord channel. I have given the description in this live stream channel, live stream video. You can join this Discord group because I'm going to use that Discord group for the long term, because it has really good functionality above this Telegram and other applications like Slack. They can join the Discord group for group conversation, group chat, and also you can share it with your friends, colleagues. Okay, do you see this box, how the price is rejecting? This is demand area where all the buyers are accumulating their targets if the price has to go up. Surely, Ernest, I will post the Telegram channel link as well. Okay, the GU is going down, but still this area is still a buyer's area, because this is a big bullish candle. It shows that the buyers are present in the market, and we can find some bullishness from this area, and little push to the upside. Then from this area again we can look for sales if we get a bearish evidence. Let's see. All right, I told you, because of this candle we can find some bullish pressure over here. From here the price is going up, so we can find this kind of scenario. We may find this price continue to go up and then come down, a double top scenario. Let's see. Okay, let me paste another link. I just posted the Telegram link. Can you see it? Just give me a minute, Ernest. I will share the new link with you. Thanks for letting me know the link is expired. You can use this link to join the Discord. And also I have updated the Telegram link in the description. Smith and Robbie has joined the Telegram. Thank you so much for joining the Telegram group, Smith and Robbie. Okay, the Discord link is still not working. I think there is something wrong with the link. You're most welcome, Robbie. And thank you so much for joining the live stream. Thank you so much. And make sure you don't forget to subscribe my channel. And because this live stream is going to continue, and I will try my best to keep this live stream continue as much as long I can. Yes, Ernest, for the communication, I have created the Discord group, and in that Discord group, we are going to discuss. And for me, I know the Telegram, I don't find it, much convenient, because it's like for only for mobile communication. And Discord is very nice platform where we can share ideas, we can share the tools and everything. And it is much more organized, and from there we can create a meeting as well, live streaming and live meeting calls and voice chat and everything. So just bear me for some time, and I'll share the working link. I'll fix this, and I'll share the link with you. Okay, I think now you can use this link. Can you try this one for the last time? And it should work, I think. Yes, Ernest, I'll do that. Okay, I have updated the link in the channel as well. Great, Robbie. Glad to know the link is working. Thank you so much. All right, I see you there. Storm 2K and Ernest has joined the Discord channel. Okay, now let's look at the gold. Oh, I think we can look for buys. But let's wait for bullish evidence. This candle is bullish, but still there was no wick on the candle. So it means that the price has no range to go up. So price pushed up, but it will come down again, once again. Let's see. GJ. Still there is choppiness, and I think it just, you know, grabbing the buy orders of retail traders, maybe, because this is a supply area. The price was in this area, it went up in the supply, and we should look for sells in the supply area. And there can be a scenario, if we want to look for buys, then we should look for this kind of scenario. So when price goes up, then comes down, and after that it gives the bullish confirmation over here, then we can look for buys if the price has to go up. Otherwise, stay put and look for sales. Okay. As I told you, the price is, the GU is in the uptrend, so we need to wait. We need stronger confirmation if we want to sell in this area. And because of this candle, it shows that the buyers are still present. The buyers are still in the control of the market. But anyway, we are a patient trader, and we will wait for confirmation. We will look for buys in this area, and we will look for sales in this area. And if we want to look for buys in this area, then we should look for this kind of scenario. The price has to react like this, and like this. Then again, price will come down to this level, and like this. Price always goes like this. you can see here in this scenario, this is the demand area. The price is, initially it was supply, price came here like this, then price went above, then price took the support of this line, and then price went up. Do you see this bullish candle? The price went above, then price again went to this zone, then just like a tennis ball took the hit from the supply area and then come down to this demand level. Again, the buyer, this is the demand area, so buyers will push the market. So do you see how price has rejected this area and then price pushed up, and now it's moving over here and it is looking to go up, but still we will wait for evidence, and after that we will enter the market if we get such evidence. But as of now, I'm not in the buy. I'm waiting for a sell confirmation, and let's see. And if I don't get any selling confirmation over here below this, then I will not enter the market. Thank you so much, Morgan. Thank you so much for thumbs up. At the gold. So now we have to wait for some time. We need some strong confirmation from this level. If we get a really nice bullish candle in this area, then we can look for buys. And the stop loss, if we enter over here, the stop loss should be below this area, before this. A 19 pips stop loss, and take profit of 116 pip, 116 pips. All right, Morgan. Done the needful as requested. Now, can you see it? Thank you so much. Let's look at the DXY. Okay, the dollar is falling. And that's why GU is trying to go up. So we can say that the GBPUSD will go up. Because the DXY, the dollar is falling. But still we will wait for confirmation, because you know this is the supply area, and whenever I want to enter the market, I buy at the demand area and I sell at supply. So if the GU has to go up, then I will wait for price to go above this area, then this this supply will become a demand, and then we will look for buys. Once the price goes above this area, then I will patiently wait for the price to come over here and show some bullish evidence, and then we can enter the buy. So I think as of now we have to wait. We need to wait. This is Euro USD M15. Do you see this bullish movement? Now I'm waiting for price to come to this area, and if we find any bullish movement right here, then we can expect the price to go up here, right here. The price, this is impulse, this is correction, so we may expect the price to come till here around this area, and then it can go up because the dollar is falling, and then euro should go up. So this is just a correction phase. So market is just correcting. This is US oil. Okay, so now the price has come back to this level again, and the previous candle was bearish. So if we get a bearish evidence again over here, a good bearish candle, then we can look for sells. So let's wait. Okay, so all the viewers, there are 4 people I see in the live stream. So can you just tell me how long you have been in the trading? Looks like everybody's a beginner. Oh, okay. Morgan from 2 years, Robbie from 3 years with full-time day job. That's great. So how is it going, guys? Is it going good? Okay. So Morgan, I don't use actually Fibo. I just use this boxes. You know, I just follow the order flow. You know, I just look at the price and I look for bearish and bullish evidence on this boxes. These are the area where maximum number of orders are lying, and from there the price either goes up or goes down. So I usually look for evidence on this area and then I enter the market. There was a time there where I used to use this Fibonacci and indicator RSI and stochastic, but it was too complicated. Fibonacci is good, but I don't use it now anymore. So I just follow the price, because you know, from the day one when the market has started, there is only one thing that has not changed, that is price. If you look at the price and if you learn to read the price, then you can be a good trader. You can become a profitable trader. Weekly close, glad to know. 3-year crypto, and now from 3 months learning in the forex market. Great. Oh, Robbie is up 20,000 pips this year on micros. Great, glad to know. Awesome. Yes, Morgan, that's the case in the for I think every trader. whenever everybody wants to get rich quick, so people are not good at the patience, and now the way people are getting everything on their tip of hand, on the one click of hand, people are getting become so impatient. But to be honest, in my case, when I started the trading in the beginning, I had that rush, like I want to make money so quick. I'll just have a big money in my hand, I'll put in the market, and I will make a good profit, good money. And even though I made the money in the past, but in the beginning, but it was not like based on the strategy. It was just like, I see the market price is going up, I just randomly enter the market and made some profit and got out. And after some time, when when I started actually started trading every day, and then I started losing money because I had no strategy. I felt like I'm a god, and I will make money whatever happens in the market. But the real patience come to me when I started learning, when I started learning, and when I started to mastering this price action. And when I started the price action, learning price action, it changed my life. So because I learned to wait for that kind of bullish evidence or bearish evidence in the market. I look at the market, I look at the market structure, I do my analysis, and if I find the bullish or bearish evidence based on my study, then only I enter market. And when I find it very a very strong confirmation, then I just enter the market without worrying about anything. I just stay with I just stick with my trading plan, and I just stick with the money management. And looks like the GEO is going up. Okay, all right, I think now it's not gonna stop. And above this is the target area where GEO can go up, because this is the monthly supply zone, so price can go up till this area. And the 15-minute candle is about to close. Okay, now I think we can look for buys, but let's wait for this candle to close, because if we have a wick in this candle, then it may be possible that the price can go down. Most of the time I have seen such scenarios when I just felt like it was a breakout, and then the price came down. And whenever I see this kind of rejection in this area, so I just stay put, because this is the meaning that the price is rejecting, and still the sellers are in control, and then price can reverse from this area. Thank you so much, Morgan. Thank you so much for your comments, and thank you so much for liking and subscribing my channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I'm really grateful, and I'll give my best to give you a lot of information and a lot of value from this live stream and from my channel. About the zones, I don't usually go to monthly zones, but I look for H4, 4 hour time frame and 1 hour time frame to draw the zones. But now in this case, the price has reached to the area where I am not able to find zones on the 4 hour time frame or H1 time frame. So I went to daily time frame and I created these zones. Over here, do you see the price is above this area and still there is nothing. This is the area, first area, and then this is the second area, this is the third and fourth. So I draw this zone from this area. Okay, so 1 hour candle is about to close above this area. I think we should wait for some time, because if this candle close above this area, then there is probability that price will continue to go up till here. Let's look at the gold. Okay, the price is still ranging. GG, it went up. That's great. This was a good indication, this buy. This was a bullish candle, bullish engulfing candle. The candle is bigger than this candle, and after this candle, see how the price has pushed above. This was a really good buying indication. 32 pips move. That's great. And the stop loss of 10 pips. We missed this move. Thank you so much, Ivan. Thank you so much for your comments. And I'm really glad that you liked the information. Thank you so much. Let's look at DXY. Oh my God. Something is wrong with the USD. So everything is making sense. This is the demand area for dollar, US dollar. So the price can continue to move toward this zone, till this zone. So we can look for your buys on the GU, then EU, and even on the chart it does looks like the price, the pound is going up and the dollar is going down. So this everything makes sense. Yes. So GU will continue to go up till this area, most likely, because the dollar is falling. Then we will wait for confirmation. I think now the price is trying to cross this area, this zone. So as I told you before, we will look for this kind of scenario. So we will wait for price to go up, then come back to this area once again, and then we will look for buys. So let's wait. And always remember, guys, it's not necessary to be in the trade every single time. You just have to wait for some. We have to wait for some time. You need to see a setup that you are looking for, and then you have to enter the trade. And believe me, it's not necessary to trade hundreds of pairs. It's better to trade one single pair and just master that one single pair, and you can make a fortune from it. We only have one single brain and we have one eye to look at the chart. So don't run your brain around thousands of things. Just focus on one thing and one thing at a time, and you will find success. And once you do that consistently, you will become familiar with that prayer, that how it moves and how it reacts to that certain level, how it gives the fakeouts or breakouts and everything. Because back in the time when I started trading, I was like, if I open 10 trades on the 10 different pairs, then I will make huge money. But that was not the case. I lost a lot of money in the past. But then I started to focus on one thing. I started to focus on one single thing. And it really changed my, the trading style. And and actually the confidence comes from the knowledge, the right information. If you even if you're following the indicators, or if you're following any other strategy, you should stick to that strategy. And you have to look for those certain kind of setups. Like if you are using Fibonacci, on the Fibonacci level, you will wait for the price to come on the 61 area or 50% area, and at that place, if you find a setup, a candle, a bullish candle or bearish candle, according to your experience, and if you feel like that this is the right evidence, then you should look for, you should stick with that strategy. It helps a lot. Morgan, actually, I'm not going to post any signals in the Telegram channel. I just created this platform, I just created this channel to gather all the retail trader and I to share the value on the live stream, because there was a time where I used to sell signals. I know I was looking to provide the signal, but that did not suit me because I didn't like that idea. There was a time that I felt like that giving a signal will solve the problem. And even you won't believe, I had joined 10 when I started as a beginner trader. I had joined 10 the signal provider, and uh, it didn't help me. It did not help me, and the all the signals were crap. Sometime it works, sometime it doesn't. And they used to provide the 80 pip stop loss, 50 pip stop loss, 100 pip stop loss. That was the dumbest thing I did in my in the trading career. So I don't look forward to provide the signal, but I look forward to provide a good education. And there is a saying that don't feed a fish. If you feed a fish, if you feed a fish to a man, you will feed him for the day. But if you teach him how to fish, then you feed him for the lifetime. So that's what I believe. Okay, Robbie, so you're asking me to learn to create a signal? Oh, okay. This is the part. We are getting paid to have patience, and I really learned this very hard way. But now, when I look at the past, and if I had not gone through that phase, then I would have not learned, and I did not have the hunger to learn. And to be honest, if you're everybody who is on the live stream right now, I see there are 6 people, and if you're really want to learn trading, then I will suggest you to learn starting at the right place. I mean to right place, I mean to say right education. That means you should learn how price works. You should start your ground, your study ground from the price action, because that is the real key to success in the trading. And never follow the indicators. The back in the time, I used to use moving average, RSI, and other indicators, but now I don't use it. I just use the price action. I just draw this supply and demand areas and these zones, and based on that I just take trades. And it's really easier. It's really easy to just follow the price rather than following tens and thousands of indicators. Yes, Robbie. So about those signals, uh, I don't know how they give the signals, but there was one channel where the VIP channel, they call it. So when I started and I had joined that channel, and that person was giving the, I'm not just criticizing anyone. I'm just saying that based on my experience, it's not to criticize anyone. I'm just telling from my experience that when I joined that channel, that person was giving, you know 10 to 20, 30 signals every day. Every single day he used to give 10, 20 or 30 signals, and some of them used to work and some of them was not working. And it's like kind of what we can say, bluffing. Just give the 10, 20, 30 signal. Out of that 10, 20, or some of these signals are going to work, so nobody's going to judge you. Some of them might hit stop loss, some of them might hit the profit, or some might not hit the profit, but it may go into the profit for 10, 20 pips. Then you can say that you can close this and you can close that, and we made this much pips. And all the signal providers are, I don't trust them now, because I really had bad experience. And to be honest, there are so many big professional profitable traders in the world. They do not follow the signals, man. They do not follow the signals. They learn the trading, they learn by self, they invest their money and they invest their time in the knowledge, and after that they start trading. And no one has become a millionaire or billionaire by following the tips provider. If you really want to become successful at anything, then you have to put in time to learn something. You have to learn it. And all the financial markets are learnable. You can learn it, because there's no one who is controlling this thing, the forex market, as of now. That it's a really big market and nobody can control this market. And in the financial market, the only thing that is in control is yourself, your mindset, how you control yourself in the market. If you learn to control yourself, you can control everything. You can control your profit and losses. Okay, now we are seeing this bearish evidence, and there are chances that price will play in this area and then it might go up. So we will wait for bullish evidence if the price has to go up, and if price doesn't respect this area and it comes down, then price may go till here. Price may come over here. This is the first live stream, so it might possible that they are looking this kind of analysis for the first time, but when you will get used to with this channel and this live streaming, then you will get to know that how it works, how the price works, and you might get to know. And I think you also know that you have made $28,000 pips. I'm sorry, 20,000 pips in this year. So I think you already know everything. Now let's see how price reacts to this level. Let's look at the 1 hour candle. Okay, M30. Okay, it might possible that price come to this level and once again it can go up from this area. Let's see. Oh, gold went down. Now we can wait. We can wait for the gold to come down till this area, and after that we may find some bullish evidence over here, or price will go up till here, because this is the really impulse move. Let's see. GBP is falling. Okay, so H1 had rejected this area. You see, the candle was not closed above this zone. There was a wick above the zone, the price went up, and sellers pushed the market down. So this is the indication that still this supply zone is, in control. Still the sellers are present in this area. I think we should wait for this M30 candle to close, because the price is again in this area, so it might push the price again above this level. It can possible, because still the GU is, uptrend, so there is high probability that it may go up, but still the price has rejected this area. So we will wait for high time frame bearish candle. If this candle closes bearish of with the bigger body than this one, if this candle body is bigger than this and it's a bearish candle, then we can look for sells. Let's see. Gold is dropping. Hello, fun time. How are you, fun? GJ. Yes, it's my channel, buddy. Thank you for joining the live stream. still it's in correction, like it's just moving around, because the dollar is ranging like this in the correction. This was impulse and this is correction, and dollar may continue to go down. So same thing goes with GU. Impulse, some little correction, just ranging in this area and rejecting this area. The price tapped to this zone once again and it went up. Price came again and then it tapped into this area, and then it might continue to go up. So just let's wait. This is bullish engulfing candle, and the price may continue to go up till this area, but the good entry will be here, but it didn't give the chance to enter the market, so we will just wait. Price might continue to this level and then it may fall down to this area. I think now we should concentrate on the gold, because this area and the price has become so unclear, like too messy. So over here we see some thinness, we see specific this sell area, this is the buy area. So I think we should focus on gold as of now, because this price action doesn't look good. It's just like choppy, we are not getting what exactly it's trying to say. Let's go to the gold for time being. The 15-minute candle is about to close now. Oh. I think now price will come down to this level. We also have this area, but let's see, this also can be a demand area. Price may come this level and it may go up, but not sure, because this is the right area from where the buyers are pushing the market. I think the price should come to this level, and after coming to this level, it should give some bullish evidence. Then we can say that price will go up or go down. Let's see. Did you guys subscribe to my channel? Please type yes if you did. Oh, I think we can look for buys, I think, but this is the bearish candle and the price has rejected this area, you see, and even on 1 hour time frame the price has rejected this area. So I think we can enter the trade. But let's see. But the reason why I'm not going to enter this trade is because of this bearish candle. Let's wait for the price to go above this area, and after that we will see. Now the price has to, cross this area, because still I see the sellers are present in this area. So it might possible that if we buy here and then price come to this level, and the price can go down again, because this is the supply area and the price has rejected this particular area. So if we want to be in the buys, then we should look for buys above this area, because the price has created higher high and then lower low. But if the price crosses this area from this supply zone, then it should go above this, and then from here we can look for buys if it gives the evidence, bullish evidence. And it has to give the bullish confirmation, bullish candle on the higher time frame. Let's say, for example, initially this zone was a supply zone, right? The price was below this area, the price came up, then came down, then price tapped to this area, then price came down, then again price went up. But in this scenario, what happened? This was the supply zone, the candle closed above this zone. Do you see? The candle was closed above this area, and in this scenario the price went up, but the price closed with the wick and the candle closed in the zone. So that means still it's not a bullish evidence, right? So if the price has to continue above this area, continue to go up, then this 1 hour candle should close above this area, this supply zone. If the price closes above this supply zone with the small wick, then we can say that price may continue to go up, and then we can look for buys. So let's wait for this 1 hour candle to close above this area. So this is still 19 minutes are remaining, so we have to wait for 19 minutes, and let's see how this candle closes. It closes in this zone or it closes above this zone. And even after that, if this candle closes bullish and it closes inside, then still we are not going to buy. We will wait for confirmation to break out above the zone, or we will wait for the bearish candle in this area. And if we find such a bearish candle, then we might look for sell. Let's see. We still have time. Okay, the price is continuing to this area, so let's just wait. Oh wow, see, this is the kind of setup, this is the bullish evidence, and we can look for buys after this candle, after this kind of formation. Do you see? This is the supply area, the price crossed this area, price went up, came to this level and respected this area, the zone, then it created a bullish candle, rejection from this area, then no wick and bullish candle, and now the price is continuing to go up. Okay, let's wait. Now let's wait for this candle to close above this area. It should go above this wick. It should close above this wick. Then we can look for buys, I think. Okay, the price is the same is happening with the GU and GJ. GU and GJ almost move like same, its pattern is almost same. Not 100%, but it moves together in the same pattern. If the GU goes up, then GJ also goes up. Okay, the price has closed bullish, and let's look at the GJ. Okay, right here now you see the candle closed bullish, so I think price may range in this area or might come down to this level. Yes, thank you so much, Fun. Thank you so much for your comments. People have subscribed so far, till now. Okay, so this is the bearish candle now, so I think price will come down to this area, so let's just wait. But guys, the trading is always boring. You have to wait for price to come to your specific level or your specific, it has to create a specific setup which you're looking for. And this is what the successful trader does. They just do their analysis and they wait for the price to come to their area, that's their specific level there, as according to their setup, and after that they enter the market. For GJ, we will wait for 1 hour candle to close. I'm sorry, it's GU.
For ticker background. And when I do that, it's going to ask me where the file is. So here I'm going to click on ticker BG, hit OK. And then there you can see this graphic that is now showing up at the bottom of my screen. Now, how this is going to work is it's going to be this graphic, and then I'm going to have a layer of text. And then after that layer of text, then I'm going to have a covering graphic as well. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to hit plus, and then I'm going to add that covering graphic right now. So I'm going to do ticker top. And I'm going to grab this. Now, as you can see right here, when I pull this in, if you look at this little area right here, you can see it's transparent. Okay, so basically what's happening here is this is going to allow the text to show up to appear behind this and then disappear into this side as well while keeping the TubeBuddy logo in there. So I'm going to hit OK. Now with this, just so you know what's going on, is all of this stuff that I'm showing you right now, I actually built this for TubeBuddy for the stream that I do there. So if you want to learn even more YouTube stuff, I'm going to put a link to the TubeBuddy channel. You can definitely head over to them because me and other YouTube experts are over there, you know, sharing information to help you grow your channels as well. So the next thing that we want to do is I'm going to actually click on the little lock icon for all three of these. And the reason I'm doing that is because I'm going to have to move the text around once I get it in here. So if I have these locked, then I can click anywhere on the screen, move anything that I want, and nothing is going to be selected or moved. So it's just kind of like a fail-safe. Click on plus, and then I'm going to go to text, and then here I'm just going to make sure that says text. And then here I'm going to put in just anything for the sake of the demo. And then once I have what it is that I'm going to be saying in the text, you can see it right up here at the top. You can see it's kind of small, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into select font, and in this case, I'm actually going to find the font that I was using. This is a really cool thing about OBS, is it lets you select different fonts, so you can make sure that, you know, things are matching up with your branding and all of that. So I'm going to select a different font, I'm going to hit OK, and then I'm going to click OK on this as well. Once I have that in place, then I can grab the text and I can bring it down. Now, as you can see, it's really small right now, so on a mobile device, this would be pretty much impossible to read. So I'm going to grab one of these corners, and I'm just going to start moving it, and as you can see, that's going to scale that text up and make it a little bit bigger and a little bit easier to read. From there, I'm going to just bring it down the screen, and then because I have this selected, I can just tap on the arrow buttons to kind of fine-tune it as far as getting it into the right place that I want it to be. And then, as you can see over here in the sources section, this is at the very top, and it's covering up the TubeBuddy logo, and it's just not very flattering right now. So in order to fix that, what I have to do is I have to take the text and I have to bump it down a notch. And then now I've got that nice looking fade going in and out. So my text comes in, fades back out, the logo's still there, and everything still looks nice, neat, and clean. So what I'm going to do now is I need to make that text move. So I'm going to right click, and I'm going to go to filters. Here I'm going to click on the plus sign, and then I'm going to click on scroll. And then here, I want to show you this real quick. Let me move this over to here. So when I move this horizontal speed, you can see the text is going to start to move. Now, I can make it really fast to where, you know, people are reading it really fast and all that, or I can slow it down, make it something a little bit more reasonable. In this case, I'm going to go with like a 31. That's fine. So it's still coming along. It's still moving along, but it's not so much that it's ridiculously distracting. So once I have that speed, I'm going to hit close. And then as you can see, the ticker is going to be flowing along there nicely during any time that I want that to show. So now we have two scenes. We have the main plane, and then we have the main ticker, okay? So the next thing that we want to do is we're going to duplicate that main plane again, and I'm going to call this one cam with chat, okay? Now with this one, we're going to do that same exact thing where I'm going to go to the plus, I'm going to add an image here, and this is going to be, I'm just going to call this one background because there's not a lot that's going to be happening in this scene. So I'm going to find that, and then I'm going to bring it in. Now, as you can see right here, the area that I have right here, it's already taken away. So I saved this image here out of Photoshop as a transparent PNG. Okay, so basically I removed the background layer so that I could save it so I'd be able to see through this. Now, another option that I would have had was to make the same graphic, but actually put a square on the screen in this area, and then grab my picture or my video image there and scale it down and try to fine tune it to make sure that everything is in the right place and the right size. But what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to lock this background, so I'm not clicking on it. I'm going to click on the webcam. And then now you can see when I move this, because I have that area transparent, it doesn't have to be perfect. I can just move it in, kind of scoot it into place, and then fine tune it a little bit with my arrow keys. And then there we go. I don't have to spend a ton of time sitting there trying to make everything match up. And in addition to that, I also get a little bit of a drop shadow over here to kind of give it a little bit of an additional look, so to speak. Now, the next thing that we want to do is something that I get asked about a ton, and that is showing the chat on the screen, because we have to put it in this little area over here so that viewers can see the live chat for this particular scene when we show this. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to bring my live streaming page over. I'm going to show you how to do this. When you go to your live streaming page on YouTube, you click here, and then you click on Pop Out Chat. When you do that, they're going to give you a URL up here at the top. You want to copy that, and then you can close it. And then after you close that, you can actually just move that right out of the way or close the window or whatever, and it's okay because you have that URL. That's all that you need. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go down to plus in my scenes, or in my sources, actually. I'm going to go down to plus. I'm going to choose browser source. Here I'm going to make this chat as the identifier. And then you can see here, there's already a URL here going to OBS project, but I'm going to override that with my YouTube chat, okay? That URL that I just got. Now, because I've already built this for, the thing that I'm doing with TubeBuddy, so I've already built this, I already know that the width of this is going to be way too big. So I'm going to take the width of this down to 520, and I'm going to take the height to, let's say, let's do 890, okay? From there, I'm going to hit OK, and then you'll see the chat is now popping up on the screen. I just grab that and I bring it over here and get it into place. Okay, I could leave it like this and it would be perfectly okay. I mean, if it just looks like this and you have the white on there, it's fine. But if you look at this from a design standpoint, I have all of these dark elements. I'm wanting people to focus on the TubeBuddy logo down there, which, by the way, if you don't have TubeBuddy installed yet, I've got a link to that in the description. But I want to draw people's attention to the TubeBuddy logo, and I want them looking at my screen. I want them looking at the chat as well, but I don't want them to be overwhelmed and distracted by what's going on in the chat. So what I have to do for that is I have to put in a CSS code, which I have in a notepad here, and I'll actually put this as a resource link down in the description below. But I have some CSS code that I'm going to drop into this chat option right here. So I'm going to right click on chat, I'm going to hit properties, and I'm going to delete this in the CSS area right here, and then I'm going to paste in all of this code right here. And again, I'm going to have a resource link to this down in the description, so you'll be able to get this same exact code down in that description if you want this. And then I'm going to hit OK, and then you'll see that it made my text bigger, and it also took away that background, so now it's not as distracting. It's still distracting, especially when it's all moving around, but it's not as distracting. So what we've done there is now we have this chat area so that people that are watching can see their chat come up on the screen, right? So I'm just going to click on something there, and then that fills that box out, and you can see right there, as you can see, can you see this that I put down there? It completely fills that box out and makes everything look nice and clear. Now, to be picky, I would want to scoot this down here just a tad, because that's a little bit too tight up there at the top for me. So I would bring it down to something like that, maybe bring up the bottom a little bit, but you can fine tune yours when you're making your graphics for your live stream. So now we have 3 chats. Now we have 3 scenes, in here. We have the main plane, we have the main ticker, and then we also have this, which is our cam with chat. So we're starting to create, a nice production here, right? Like, this is looking really professional. It's looking great. Everything is nice and organized, real easy to follow what's going on. And a really awesome thing about this is down here in the sources part, you don't have just a humongous pile of stuff down there, right? You can just switch it as you need it instead of having a bunch of things that you have to sort through in order to make these same things happen. And you don't have to drag things around all the time and resize the frame and all of that. So this makes it so much easier. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the main plane again. And this one is going to be split screen. Now, this comes in really
20 pips,
cool
maybe.
if you are a gamer or if you are a business owner and you want to have your screen and then you also want to have something happening on the side over here to where you can have like your social media information, or you can have like a product that you're talking about. You can have bullet points of what it is that you're talking about while keeping yourself on the screen. This part is really cool. So what I'm going to do here is I created that split screen scene. And as you can see in the sources here, the only thing, again, that we're starting with is just the webcam by itself. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go and I'm going to grab the image that I made. And then with this, you can see I'm kind of, you know, covered up there or whatever. But the graphic over here is where you would put, there we go, is where you would put the, you know, any additional information that you have. But what you would do in this case with the webcam is I'm going to lock that. And then with the webcam, I can just take this, drag it over.
This price.
Just like this. And then there we go, I'm nice and centered. So let's say that I'm talking here in the main plane, and then I want to say something about, you know, whatever it is I'm talking about, then I would click on this, and you can set this up. You can set up a bunch of these, so you can just rotate through them as you're talking about things, or when you want to, you can go to the cam chat and things like that. So now that we have this in place, I want to level this whole thing up to really make it pro. I'm sure you've seen the news where, you know, they're talking about something and then they transition into something else, and then they have like a logo or some type of graphic that comes up on the screen to actually make that transition to happen and make it kind of smooth and pro looking. Well, that's what we're going to do.
Great.
So what we're going to do for that is I'm going to click on studio mode over here. And that's going to split the screen. So if you're not familiar with OBS right now, if you're not familiar with OBS yet, basically how this works is over on this side of the screen, the one that has the ticker on it right now, this side of the screen is basically a staging area, and then the other side of the screen where we have the split screen, that is actually what would be live that your viewers would be seeing right now. So if you're recording something in OBS or if you're actually streaming in OBS, the one over on the right where the split screen is right now, that is your actual live area. That's what's actually being streamed or recorded. And over on your left, that is your staging area where you actually build everything and you get it ready to go over. So what we're going to do here is we're going to add that transition,
then I'll enter the market
so that we can really make this look cool. So here I'm going to go over to the scene transitions. And I'm going to hit plus, and then I'm going to select Stinger.
Here.
Now here I'm going to do icon transition. I'm going to hit OK. And it's going to give me the option to go find it, and I'm going to go find it. It's called the TB icon transition. TB stands for tube buddy. And then for these other options, I'm going to leave these on the default, but if you are wanting to hear the transition, if you have audio in yours like I do with mine, and you're wanting to actually hear that transition, what you would do is you would just click on this, and then you would go down to monitor only with mute output. Okay, and then as you're playing it, if you're doing your stream, you have headphones in, and you want to be a part of the show in terms of listening to what's going on, then that gives you the ability to do it. So I'm going to hit OK.
Usually I don't.
Now this is where this gets cool. I'm going to go up here to the quick transition. I'm going to hit the plus sign, and I'm going to hit icon transition, and then now that icon transition's in there. So how this works, let's say that I want to transition from this split screen over here to the ticker version that's over here, then I can click on this icon transition, and then it does that for me while still keeping everything looking cool for the viewers. So basically, instead of making it a hard cut like this every time that I do the transition or a fade, then I can hit that icon transition and actually take it to a different segment. So that's really cool, where you can say, okay, well, I want to use this to transition me in between segments. You can set up different graphics that you change, for each thing in between each different segment that you're trying to produce. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take this up another notch, and we're going to add another option here to slide. And I'm just going to call this one down. You can do up, down, left, or right. And then here I'm just going to make this down. And you can also add these up here as well to the quick transitions. Any quick transitions that you want, you can add them up here. This is especially handy for graphics. But now if I want to transition in between something, I can just hit down like that, and then it will take me, into anything it is that I'm wanting it to take me into. But if you really want to do this in like a really cool way, what you can do is I'm going to go into my settings here. I'm going to show you something. Under the General tab, if I scroll down, you're going to see this option right here for studio mode, transition to scene when double clicked. Okay, I have that selected, and I'm going to show you why. The reason that's selected is because let's say that I do a down transition. Okay, if I double click these now, it's going to automatically just send it over, and it's going to send it over with that down transition. Same thing would happen if you wanted to do a fade. right? You see how it just fades it all around? And the same thing happens if I want to do the icon transition. So let's say that I'm sitting here and I'm talking about something for a while, and then I want to take it back to the plane. Then I can click on that, and then it'll take me back to the plane, and then I'm ready to go in terms of making everything look awesome. So the same thing applies if I want to go to the split screen. Then I click on that, and then it makes that really cool transition to really pro everything up quite a bit. Now, in addition to that, if you really want to make this stuff even cooler and make it easier for yourself, there's something called the Elgato Stream Deck. I'll put a link to it down in the description, and it's basically a live switcher. It's really low cost, and we actually use it in our studio that I do my Nimin live show on every Saturday, and I actually have one right here at home as well. And basically how that works is you can program the buttons, and you can assign anything it is that you want to happen. You can assign it to these buttons, and you can just press the buttons without having to actually click anything inside of OBS itself. If you want to learn more about growing your channel, making videos, and all types of other YouTube related stuff, start now by hitting the round subscribe icon so you don't miss anything. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Welcome to Nimin Live, the #1 place on the internet to learn about YouTube, network with other content creators, and have an awesome time doing it. My name is Nick, and today I'm going to be answering your YouTube questions. So if you have a question about what it is that you are doing on YouTube, head down to the form that's down in the description of this live stream right now so that we can go ahead and get your question answered right here while we are live on the stream right now. I'm trying to get this all worked out here in the background. If I can get this thing going so that we can get this all moving. Okay, so I do want to let you know that this stream is brought to you by TubeBuddy, the #1 browser plugin for YouTube content creators. TubeBuddy will help you optimize your videos for search. TubeBuddy will help you, or just discovery in general, not just search. TubeBuddy will help you test your thumbnails so that you can make sure what it is that you're doing is effective for the people that YouTube is showing your content to, which is huge. In addition to that, they're also going to help you tag your videos. They're going to help you do bulk updates if you need to do that. All types of amazing tools inside of TubeBuddy. It is specifically made for YouTube content creators. So if you are a YouTuber, you can try it out for free if you are not already a user at tubebuddy.com/Nimin. If you have a channel under 1,000 subscribers, then you actually get a discount.
I'm sorry guys, I did not know that the video in the background was running. I'm sorry for that. Okay, so now I am on M5. We see this bearish candle, and I think we should look for bullish candle over here. And if it gives you the bullish candle, then we can look for buys. So let's wait. Let's see how this candle forms. Based on this candle formation, we can look for buys, I think. The gold is still dropping, but it has not crossed this area. Now let's see. Okay, so I think this created the double bottom over here, first and single, and if this candle closed bullish and bigger than this candle, then we can look for buys. I think then we can expect the price to go above this area from here. High, high low, lower high, lower low, and get a higher high. I'm sorry, higher high and a higher low. This is the lower low, higher low, and this is the higher low, and the price can go up. Looks like this is creating a bullish candle, and now the prior market is, the gold is trying to push higher, I think. 60 pip target and 16 pip stop loss if we enter buy after this candle. But it all depends on this candle, how this candle forms. Alright, now I'm in the trade with 16 pips stop loss. Oh, I got stopped out. $16 pips. Price just directly went down. The gold is so brutal. And this zone is invalid. Now this is the area, and now we should look for buys over here. If we get bullish evidence over here, then only we will look for buys. But I think the gold is going to drop and it is going to come to this area, this demand, the higher time frame demand. Over here. Let's see what it does. I think this zone is not going to work out. The price may come to this area. Okay, so the reason why I got stopped out in this gold trade, because I considered this minor zone to be, the stronger zone, this area, and I felt like this is the bullish engulfing candle and price may continue to go up, but price came to this area. So lesson learned and noted. Now let's look at the GU, GJ. GJ is tapping into the supply area. Okay, now 41 minutes remaining to close this H4 candle. Oh wow, the gold is dropping. Okay, so now this zone is also not valid now. Now it is going to the higher time frame zone, higher zone, bigger zone. And this zone was created on the H1 time frame, H1 or H4. H1. Yeah. This is the H1 zone, 1 hour time zone. Can you hear my voice now? Weekly close. Actually, I'm sorry that yeah, there was a video in the black background that was playing, and I closed that video few minutes back already. And I think you might be in the, you might not able to hear me on the current time because you might be replaying the audio, I mean the video, the stream. Okay. The gold has rejected this area. Now let's see. Now looks like GU is trying to go down again, but let's see. It has to come below this area. Because this candle did not go above this previous candle's high. It was not able to high of the previous candle. So this is the kind of indication that the price don't want to go above this level, and we may find a push from the seller side. Oh wow, look at the rejection, man. From this area, price came to this level, just kissed it and just went above. Sick, man. Let's just delete this box. This candle has no wicks at the bottom. So it says that the price has no range to go down. It may possible that price may go higher. Okay. This looks good. This is bearish, strong bearish candle, and this candle is bigger than this one. I think we can look for sales, but let's see. Let's wait. Yes. Let's wait for this candle to close below this line, this base line. And this is the M30 candle. still there is no strong confirmation about sell. So I think I would like to wait for some time. All right. This candle should close bearish below this line, and then we can look for this kind of scenario. Two possible scenarios. Now I think if we are looking for buys, then we should look for buys over here. If we find this kind of bullish evidence over here, then we can look for buys. Still, there is no indications for buying the market, buying GU. Price went up, and then now H1 candle is about to close bearish. So need to wait for some time, and I need a strong selling confirmation. If we get strong selling evidence, then only we will look for sells. Just like, for example, if you see right here, price went up, then price ranged in this area, in this particular area, and then it created bullish evidence, bullish candle. This is a long rejection candle, and after that it created this bullish candle on this baseline, and this candle was the confirmation of buying the market. But even after this candle, you can buy on this candle, and even after this candle, you would have bought the GU, because the price, this candle broke the high of this previous range, so that was the indication of breakout. So it was the indication for buys, but we missed the entry. Now I'm not going to look into this GJ, because I see the price has stuck between this range, this zone and this zone. Do you see? Price went up, went down, price went up, tapped into this area, then came back, and now it is going again into this area. So this is small range. So now, as of now, we are not going to look at GJ, I'm sorry. Still we have gold and GU. Gold has this area. We will look for buys, because if it gives you the bullish evidence in this area. But still, this is not the strong confirmation. What nice. The price is respecting this baseline, but the candles are forming small, and this is the indication of, like small retracement after big impulsive move. So here, what can be the scenario? The price created this impulse move, this sell, and this is just a small correction, and after that price may continue to drop. The price may continue to drop. So let's see. This candle formation is small. I think the gold is going to come to this area.
पाणी चालू मुकेल काय
All right, guys. So my trading time is over. Now I think I gotta go. Today we had only one trade on the gold, and we took 16 pips stop loss, and I'm going to call it a day. No over trading and no revenge trading. 1 to 2 trades a day, and that is enough. If it's a loss, it's a loss. It's a win, it's a win. We'll come tomorrow and we will hunt for pips again. Now let's just wait for this candle to close, and I think we might find the entry. Let's wait for this candle to close. Oh wow. This is just a retracement, I think. Let's see. All right. Okay, so on 4-hour candle, the price has rejected this area, and 4-hour candle is closed in this zone. So I think it's not going to go up. All right, guys. So I'm done for the day. Now I'm closing the stream, and we will see you tomorrow. Catch you tomorrow. Have a great day. Good night, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. Thank you so much for watching the live stream. Thank you so much. Bye bye.